Hi friends, my name is Aditya Kauthekar and welcome to my YouTube channel Ocean of Code. So today in this video we are going to learn how to write simple deadlock program in Java by using multithreading. Okay, so let's start. Before that, let us understand what is deadlock. So deadlock is nothing but a situation where two or more threads are waiting for each other forever. Okay, so that is nothing but deadlock. Now let us start writing. Before that, let me save this file as simple deadlock demo.java. Now this is Java file. Okay, now let us create one class which is mythread, which is extending thread class. Okay, now let us create one static reference of this thread class empty. Okay, I'll tell you like why we are creating static reference in the further part of this video. And let us override run method of thread class public void run. Okay, so let us write one system statement system.out.println first sysout of run method. Okay, now here we are going to do one thing. We are going to join this empty thread empty dot join, and then we are going to write second sysout. Don't worry, I'm going to explain each and every line of this program. Last sysout of run method. Okay, that's all. Now the next class, which is nothing but simple deadlock demo.java. Okay, now here as this is our main class, so we are writing this main method public static void main string arguments. Now here we are going to do one thing, as this is the static reference, so and we are in the main method, so the by default main thread will start, right? Now we are going to store that reference to the empty. So for that we can do one thing, my thread dot empty is equal to thread dot current thread. Okay, now main thread is pointing to this one, or this empty is pointing to main thread. Okay, now we will create one my thread object. Let us say p is equal to new my thread, and now we are going to start this. Okay, so that's all. We will write one sysout here, system dot out dot println, and first sysout of main method. Now we are going to join p dot join, and then we are going to write second sysout statement. Last sysout of main method. That's all. One more thing, guys. See, here we are joining, right? So we need to handle interrupted exception. So quotes interrupted exception. Okay, same thing we have to do it here. We cannot throw here because see, we are overriding this method, right? And in the original method we are not throwing any exception, so we need to handle it with the help of try and catch block. try catch interrupted exception e dot print stack yes. Okay, so that's all. Is it clear now? This was good. Okay, so that's all. Now see guys, if we are executing this, what will happen? So main method will start executing, and then this empty will point to the main thread. Then we are creating this key reference for my thread class. Okay, and then we are starting it. Okay, so as soon as we start, this run method will start executing, and parallelly this main thread will also be executing in the background, right? Now this first sys out of main method, and after that it will wait for execution of this thread. Okay, with the child thread of main thread, this t. But here if you see this again, this child thread is waiting for main thread's execution. So basically both the threads are waiting for each other's completion, right? And that is nothing but deadlock here. Now basically output should be like first sys out of run method and then first sys out of main method, or vice versa. But there these two lines should not get printed, as program will not proceed further. Okay, now let me execute with the help of command prompt. It's taking time. So let me check using Java practice programs. Java practice programs. Okay, inside this class name, let me save this Java C Simple Deadlock Demo dot Java. Okay, and we got error. I see. So here we are supposed to create reference of thread. Okay, so see, we cannot assign main thread to the my thread object. So basically it should be threads reference. I mean thread class reference. Now we should not get that error. Let's compile it once again. Yoo-hoo. And the program got compiled successfully. So Java simple deadlock demo. Okay, now we are executing it, and here it is. See guys, first sys out of main method and first sys out of run method. After that the program will not proceed further. As I said, like both of these threads will wait for each other's completion, and that is not going to happen, right? So that's what deadlock is. So that's it in this video guys. If you like this video, don't forget to like this video, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel so that you will not miss any videos in future. If you want this program, then maybe you can check description box. I'll share a GitHub link there. Okay, so if you have any suggestions for new videos or comments or any doubts, you can write down your things in comment section. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye bye.